Are you looking for the best Hunter ceiling fans? As more homeowners seek energy-efficient solutions that blend comfort with style, ceiling fans, especially from trusted brands like Hunter, are growing in popularity. Whether you're outfitting a cozy bedroom or an open patio, the right fan can enhance airflow, aesthetics, and functionality. This guide reviews the best Hunter ceiling fans, focusing on key factors like motor performance, design, and lighting options. Product number 1 is the Hunter Fan Company 54207 52-inch Crestfield Fresh White Low-Profile Ceiling Fan. The Hunter 54207 Crestfield is ideal for rooms with low ceilings, thanks to its low-profile mount and compact build. It features a classic farmhouse-inspired design, complemented by a fresh white finish that blends seamlessly into most decor styles. The fan includes energy-efficient LED light bulbs, housed in a stylish clear glass casing that adds a touch of vintage charm. The Whisper Quiet motor delivers powerful airflow without noise, making it perfect for bedrooms or living spaces. With 3 speed settings and a reversible motor, it keeps rooms comfortable year-round, cooling in summer and distributing warm air in winter. Easy to install and built with durability in mind, the Crestfield offers premium value at a competitive price. Product number 2. Hunter Fan Company 53063 Studio Series 52-inch Ceiling Fan with Lights. If you're seeking a ceiling fan that merges functionality with elegance, the Hunter Studio Series 53063 is a top contender. This fan features 4 elegant, energy-efficient light bulbs enclosed in glass globes, making it ideal for rooms that need both cooling and lighting upgrades. Its powerful Whisper wind motor ensures strong air movement with minimal sound, an excellent option for living rooms, dens, or home offices. The fan's 5 reversible blades allow for customization between oak and cherry finishes, so you can easily match your existing decor. This model also comes with pull chain controls, keeping operations simple and intuitive. What sets the Studio Series apart is its timeless appeal, blending traditional aesthetics with modern performance. Plus, its sturdy build and smooth operation make it a long-lasting addition to any space.
Product number 3. Hunter 52-inch Indoor Ceiling Fan, No Light, Pull Chain, Bronze, Standard Mount. For those who prefer a light-free ceiling fan with a classic design, the 52-inch Hunter Bronze Ceiling Fan delivers a clean, uncluttered look with exceptional performance. Designed for indoor use, this fan uses Hunter's reliable Whisper wind motor to provide consistent, quiet airflow without disrupting your space. Its pull chain operation is easy to use, and the standard mounting makes it suitable for most ceilings, especially in medium to large rooms. The fan's oil-rubbed bronze finish and dark wood blades offer a sophisticated touch that complements rustic or industrial decor styles. Although it lacks lighting, its focus on performance and style makes it a strong choice for those who want an efficient, no-fuss cooling solution. This fan is especially suited for users who already have sufficient room lighting or prefer a minimalist look.
Product number 4. Hunter 52-inch Indoor Ceiling Fan with LED Light, Bronze, Pull Chain, Bedroom Use. Blending style, function, and convenience, this 52-inch bronze ceiling fan with an integrated LED light is ideal for bedrooms or cozy indoor spaces. It features pull chain controls, a 3-speed reversible motor, and energy-efficient LED lighting, making it an all-in-one solution for modern households. The classic bronze finish and wood-toned blades bring warmth to any interior space. The integrated LED module is not only long-lasting, but also provides bright, warm light without the hassle of frequent bulb changes. Quiet and efficient, this fan is a favorite for light sleepers and those who value a peaceful ambiance. Installation is straightforward, and the dual mount system offers some flexibility for ceiling height. It's a well-balanced option for anyone looking for style and substance without overcomplicating things.
Product number 5. Hunter 52-inch Outdoor-Indoor Ceiling Fan, No Light, Black, for patio or porch. Built for the elements, this 52-inch Hunter Black ceiling fan is rated for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for covered patios, porches, and sunrooms. Its weather-resistant construction and corrosion-resistant materials ensure durability even in humid or damp environments. Despite its rugged build, the design is sleek and stylish, featuring a modern black finish and simple lines that work well in contemporary or industrial spaces. It does not include a light, which reduces maintenance and focuses on pure airflow. Powered by the reliable Whisperwind motor, it delivers strong, quiet airflow to keep outdoor areas comfortable year-round. This fan is a go-to option for those who need performance and longevity in an outdoor-rated fan.